In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that it becomes your landing page that attracts and converts clients. There are 6 things that you need to do to optimize your LinkedIn profile. The first thing that you need to do is to optimize your bio. My favorite formula is I help demographics with benefit. So if you optimize your bio in this way, it will be very easy for people that visit your profile to understand what you do in a matter of seconds and how you can help them. Another way to optimize it is this formula. I create systems for demographic, debt, benefit. For example, in my own case, I create elegant lead generation systems that generate clients. I like this formula a little bit better because when you comment on other people's content, they can see only the first 5 to 6 words in your bio. And if you have a formula like this, they can see exactly what you do from your comments without having to visit your profile. The second thing that you need to do is to optimize your background image. This is very simple. Take your new bio and put it on your background image. You can edit your image in Canva or whatever you use, and it's very simple. I also recommend you have a call to action there so that people know they can reach out to you if they want to know a little bit more about your services. The third thing that you need to optimize is your service page. This is a very underrated part of your LinkedIn profile, but it's good to have it. It's probably not going to generate a ton of clients, but it's good to have it. I did generate some clients from it. It's a very simple page with limited characters, but what I recommend you have there, it's a shortened version of your about section. The first thing that you need to optimize is your about section. What you need to do here is to identify 3 to 5 pillars for your offer and have a breakdown of your pillars here. What you want to show your clients is what it would look like to work with you. What is your process? So step number 1, this is the first thing that we'll be doing together. Step number 2, 3, 4, 5 if you have 5 pillars. And at the end you have a call to action. Just to give your clients, your potential clients an idea of the process of working with you, what that would look like. The fifth thing that you need to optimize is your featured section. This is one of the most underused elements of a LinkedIn profile page. So what you need to have here, you can either have a call to action to schedule a call with you, you can sell a product, or what I recommend you do, especially if you're starting from scratch, have a call to action for your lead magnet. For my own profile, I have a very simple call to action. If you want to start generating leads in 14 days or less, click here. And what you need to have there, it's a simple Canva image with a link to your lead magnet, to your squeeze page, so you can start collecting email addresses. And the last thing that you need to optimize is your experience section. There, I recommend if you don't have a company page, create one. Very simple, use your own profile image and add some text to describe what you do and have a background image that mimics the background image that you have on your profile. And make sure that you only include experiences that are relevant to your current business, to what you're currently doing. Once you have your profile optimized in that way, you can start generating leads. You can start directing traffic to your page. And what you need to do that, you need to create content. I recommend you start with 3 to 4 pieces of content a week, ramp it up to 5, and start reaching out to potential prospects, to potential clients. I recommend you simply start a conversation with them. You ask them a question about something they're interested in, something about their experience, something about their profile that stood out for you, and you start a conversation from there. And then you transition to a business conversation. You don't have to be aggressive. Simply ask, hey, how are things with X performing? How's lead generation going for you? I noticed that you're very active on LinkedIn here. That's how you build a rapport. This is how you build a conversation that might turn your prospect, your lead, into a client. If you want to know more about profile optimization, how to turn strangers into clients, and if you want to turn your LinkedIn profile into a lead generation machine, I recommend you check the link in bio to access my free training. This is all for today. I'll see you on the next video.